Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cooking experience while still enjoying delicious meals. We found the George Foreman Compact 2-serving electric indoor grill and panini press, and we've included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is all about. The George Foreman Compact Grill is essentially an electric grill designed specifically for one or two people, making it ideal for quick, satisfying meals without the hassle of using a full-sized grill. With its compact cooking surface, you can easily prepare a full-size burger, a sandwich, or even two smaller items like sliders or grilled cheese, all without overcrowding the grill. One of the standout features of this grill is its space-saving design. If you're living in an apartment, dorm, RV, or any small kitchen, you will appreciate how it can store vertically. This low-profile grill takes up minimal counter and cabinet space, which is a huge plus for anyone dealing with limited room. Another significant feature is the durable nonstick coating on the cooking plates. This George Tough nonstick surface allows for easy food release and quick cleanup, which means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. The design also helps prevent food buildup, ensuring that you can use it for everyday grilling without any worries about maintenance. Speaking of features, the adjustable grill angle is another great addition. You can easily switch between the fat-draining slope and a flat panini mode, thanks to the secure stand that keeps the plates level for even cooking. This versatility makes it easy to adapt the grill for whatever you're making, whether it's a perfectly grilled sandwich or a juicy burger. Speaking of health, the fat-removing slope is a signature trait of the George Foreman grills. This sloped surface channels excess fat into a drip tray, allowing for cleaner cooking. If you're someone who is conscious about fat intake, this feature is especially beneficial, helping you enjoy grilled foods without the guilt. So, who is this grill suitable for? If you're a busy individual or a couple looking for quick meal options, this compact grill is perfect for you. It's also great for students living in dorms who want to whip up easy meals or snacks without needing a full kitchen setup. Additionally, for those who enjoy cooking but have limited space, this grill can be a game changer. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day and wanting a quick bite to eat. With the George Foreman Compact Grill, you can throw on a couple of chicken breasts, veggies, or even a couple of sandwiches, and have a hot meal ready in no time. It's also fantastic for hosting friends over for a game night. Just set it up in the living room and let everyone make their own paninis or sliders. Another great idea is using it for breakfast. Make some grilled cheese stuffed with eggs or a breakfast burrito to kickstart your day. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the George Foreman Compact 2-serving indoor grill and panini press is an excellent addition to any small kitchen. Its compact size, non-stick plates, adjustable angles, and fat-removing slope make it suitable for a variety of cooking needs. If you're looking for something practical that delivers delicious results without taking up too much space, this grill is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.